Hey guys, Alex from Straumann here, and today I want to spend 60 seconds paying respect to one of our most popular implant lines within Straumann, the BLT. No, it's not a popular sandwich, it actually stands for bone level tapered. One of the most flexible implant lines within Straumann, with a smallest diameter of 2.9, which is perfect for missing laterals and lower incisors, and our regular implant diameters of 3.3, 4.1 and 4.8. The BLT is apically tapered and self-cutting, making this implant particularly suitable for situations involving soft or very soft bone and fresh extraction sockets where primary stability is key. Perfect for if you're hesitant about using a more aggressively threaded implant but still want great stability from a reliable implant brand, with the added benefit of rock solid and SL-active surface. If you want to know more about the bone level tapered implant by Straumann, speak to your local Straumann territory manager for prices and setup.